Okay, very good morning, all of you. So today we are discussing verify the blinking and latching concept in ladder diagram with suitable examples. So that is experiment number 2. So that is blinking and latching concept, today's concept. So first aim is to develop ladder logic diagram for blinking and latching of the lamps in different cases. So we are using different cases to test the latching and blinking concepts. Okay. So first of all, blinking explanation. So blinking. So here we have basic switches is normally open and normally closed switches are using. Okay. In normally open, basic addressing mode is X naught and output is Y naught. Okay. So as the X naught NO is series with NC, normally closed switch, that is output. When input is in high, so then output Y naught is enabled. Okay. And light turn into on state. So input X naught is low, then Y naught disable. Okay. Input X naught is high, Y naught is enable. Okay. Whereas input X naught is low, Y naught is disable. Okay. And light goes to off state. So this repeats continuously. The result will be blinking. Okay. So when X naught is high, means on state, so Y naught is enable. When X naught is off state, that is low signal, Y naught is disabled. So this process repeat continuously. So that is called on off on off on off. It's nothing but blinking. So for example, best example is ambulance siren and traffic signals. These are the best examples for uh, our daily life. Okay. So coming to latching explanation. So here using NO switch, okay, one NO switch, nothing but normally opened switch. So when switch X naught is turned on, automatically Y naught is turned into on state, even though switch is removed, switch is off condition, even though switch is turned off condition. Okay, so but the voltage still present Y naught because it is latches to the X naught at the network. Okay, so so basic thing is X naught is a one input variable. So that is NO switch one input variable and Y naught is the output variable. Okay. So when X naught is turned on state condition, or else it should be high input signal. So Y naught is enabled. Okay. Even though X naught is maintained high input signal, so Y naught is enabled. Excuse me. Okay. That is the thing. Okay. So okay. So we'll continue the session. So coming to latching explanation, latching concept. So as NO switch is turned on, it automatically Y not also turned on. So even though switch is off condition, so it will be enabled at same position. Okay. So it latches, it is because it is latches to the X naught at the network one. So we will see the diagram. So best example is industrial motors. Okay. So coming to first problem, when switch S1 is turned on, light L1 should on, and when switch S1 is turned off, light L1 and L2 should blink. Okay. So in this concept, note this point. This is L1 means Y1, Y2. Okay, L1 means Y, L means Y. So please replace the L with Y. Okay. So when switch S1 is turned on, light L1 should on, and when switch is turned off, L1, L2, L1 on, L2 should blink. Okay. So we will, okay. So when switch S1 is on, output Y1 should on, and switch S1 is off condition. Even though switch S1 is off condition, Y1 should on and Y2 should blink. Okay. So in this concept, so this is the thing. When switch S1 is on, okay. So the corresponding output is Y1 on. Okay. Okay. So that is the thing. When switch S1 is turned off, Y1 should on and Y2 should blink. Okay. So y1 should on. Okay, so yeah, you have to connect the y1 by using latching concept, that is parallel mode of operation. Okay, here, so either are s1 or y1. Okay, y1 on అయింది కాబట్టి ఆల్రెడీ, సో ఇక్కడ ఆన్ లోనే ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, సో పవర్ ఫ్లో ఫ్రమ్ through y1 from node to output node. Okay, next one, when switch s1 is off condition, even though off condition, so y1 on and y2 should blink. Okay, so even though s1 off, y1 should on. Okay, that's condition also satisfied. Okay, at the same time s1, even though s1 off, ఇక్కడ s1 ఆన్ అవ్వాలి. సో రివర్స్ ఆపరేషన్ జరగాలి. సో అందుకని మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఇక్కడ ఎన్సీ స్విచ్చెస్ యూస్ చేస్తాం. ఎన్సీ స్విచ్చెస్ యూస్ చేసి s1 ఎన్సీ స్విచ్ అండ్ y2 ఆన్ అవ్వాలి. s1 ఆఫ్ అయినా y2 ఆన్ అవ్వాలి, ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్. సో s1 ఎన్సీ స్విచ్ యూస్ చేసి y2 కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాం. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం, సో y2 షుడ్ ఆన్. ఇన్ దట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ, so in the same y2 addressing mode, we have to represent the nc switch in series with s1. Okay, so in this case s1 off condition, in this s1 on condition, so s1 on, y2 on. So in the same addressing mode, we have to represent y2 on, this y2 on, this y2 on, this y2 off condition. So continuous mode of operation, repeat the process, continuous repetition of process. So y2 and y2. So okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so please to connect the circuit. Latching concept. Okay, so s1 y1, s1 y1, s1 y1, y0. In this y0 is latching in the s1, s1 y0, same addressing mode, connect here itself. Okay, after that s1 nc, y2 nc. s1 nc, y1 nc, or else please wait, y0, 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 or else y1 y2. y1 here, this is also y1. Like this you have to edit the system. y1, okay, this is y2, this is also nc switch, y2, and the address is y2, output address is y2. Okay, and compile the system. Okay, finally we have to compile the system and will be there. And so going to online mode of operation. So please wait, before that I have to simulate the system. After that you have to go to online mode of operation. Once again compile the system and please wait. Okay, we will back. So system will end after completion of the diagram. Okay, next one, compile the system again, simulate the system, go to online mode of operation, run the system. Okay, so blinking will occur. Okay, when switch S1 is on, Y1 on. Okay, when switch S1 is off condition, Y1 should on and Y2 should blink. Okay, so condition is satisfied. First problem. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, when switch S1 is on condition, Y1 on. Okay, when switch S1 is off condition, Y1 on, Y2 should blink. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, clear? And again stop the system, simulate here, and we create new file, latch2. Okay, so before that, before going to construct the ladder diagram, we have to explain. So next problem, when switch S1 is on condition, Y1 on, Y2 should blink. When it is off condition, Y1 on, Y2 off. So that is the thing. Okay. When switch S1 is on condition, Y1 should on, Y2 should blink. When it is off, Y1 on and Y2 off. Okay, here, so S1 is one switch and Y1, Y2 is the output variables, two output variables. So single switch have to control the two outputs. Okay, so that is S1 and Y1. Okay, S1 on, Y1 on. So condition satisfied. First condition satisfied. Next, Y2 should blink when it is off condition. Nothing but switch S1 is off condition, Y2 should blink. So same first problem repetition. So S1 off, Y2 should blink. Okay, S1 off, when it's off condition, Y2 should blink. So when S1 is turned on, Y1 on, Y2 should blink. Y1 on, Y2 should blink. When it is off condition, Y1 on, Y2 off. Okay, so that is thing. S1 on, Y1 on. Y1 should on, Y2 should blink. Y1 should on, Y2 should blink when it is S1 is off condition. Okay, so S1 is on, Y1 on. Okay, at the same time Y1 should on. Okay, Y1 should on. We have to here we have to connect the latching in the same addressing mode of Y1. Okay, so when S1 off, so here a latching is there, so Y1 should on. At the same time, Y2 should blink. Y2 should blink when it is off. Nothing but switch S1 is off condition. So S1 off అయినప్పుడు Y2 should blink అవ్వాలి. S1 off అయితే so Y2 blink అవ్వాలి. So please wait. So okay, you have to connect this system ladder diagram. This one same. S1, Y1, Y1. So again, S1 of Y1 should on. Y1 should on. Okay. Next, In this case, when switch S1 is on, Y1 on, Y2 should blink when it is off. Y2 should blink when it is off. Y2 should blink when it is off. S1 ఆఫ్ అయినప్పుడు Y2 బ్లింక్ అవ్వాలి. Y1 ఆన్లో ఉండాలి. Y1 ఆన్లో ఉండాలి, Y2 ఆఫ్లో ఉండాలి. So when switch S1 is on, Y1 on, Y1 on, Y2 should blink. So switch on అయినప్పుడు Y1 ఆన్లో ఉండాలి, Y2 should blink. At the same time switch off అయితే Y1 ఆన్లో ఉండాలి, Y2 ఆఫ్లో ఉండాలి. Okay. So in this mode of operation, here using S1 is NC switch. Here NC and Y2 also NC switch. Y2 also NC switch. So output is Y2. And end up the system. Okay. So compile the system first and simulate the system. Next one. So going to online mode. Here some error. Again compile the simulate the system and compile the system. One more simulation is there. Next one, online mode. Okay. S1, Y1, same S1, Y2, Y2. Okay. Simulator. Command compile. Please wait. When S1 is on, Y1 on. Second problem. S1 is on, Y1 on. Y2 should blink. When S1 is on, Y1 should on. Y2 should blink when it is off. Y2 should blink when it is off. S1 on, Y1 on. So S1 off అయితే Y2 should blink. Okay, condition satisfied. At the same time, Y1 on and Y2 is off. At the same time, Y1 on, Y2 off. Y2 off. Okay. Here itself, I have to edit the system. Space Y2. Okay. The download mode. Next one, run the system. Have to check. So S1 on, Y1 on. Okay. When S1 off, Y2 should blink. Okay. Start the system. Edit the system. And Y2 is NC switch. So here simulate the system again and compile the system. Download current open program to PLC and run the system. Okay, so S1 on, Y1 on. When S1 off, Y1 on, Y2 should blink. So this is second problem satisfied. Okay, next one. Simulate the system. We have to take the another new file, latch 3. Latch 3. So next one is problem number 3. So when normally open contact S1 is on, okay, please wait. Problem number 3. When S1 is turned on, Y1 on. When it is off, Y1 on and Y2 should blink. Again, when switch S2 is turned on, Y1 off, Y3 on. When it is off, Y3 on, Y4 should blink. Okay. So problem number 3 here. Okay, when S1 is turned on, Y1, Y2 should goes on state. If it is off, Y2, Y3 should on, Y1 off. Okay. So again, ఇక్కడ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ అనేది మనం ఎన్ని అవుట్పుట్స్ అని ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు ఇక్కడ. సో డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ యువర్ విష్. ఓకే, when switch S1 is turned on, so Y1, Y2 should on. Okay, if it is off, nothing but S1 is off, Y2, Y3 should on and Y1 off. Okay, so here S1 is on. Okay, so in this case నేను ఇక్కడ Y2 అని తీసుకున్నా ఫస్ట్ కేసులో. ఓకే, S1 is turned on, Y2 on. Okay, so if it is off, Y1, Y2 should goes on. Okay, Y1, Y2 should goes on. Same addressing mode will appear like this. Okay, S1, S1, Y1. S1 ఆన్ అయితే Y2 ఆన్ అవుతుంది, Y1 ఆన్ అవుతుంది. అందుకని ఇక్కడ ఈ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేయడం కోసం మరి అగైన్ సేమ్ S1 ఇచ్చాను నేను. సో S1 ఆన్, Y1, Y2 should goes on. Okay, so when it is off, if it is off condition, that means S1 is off. ఆఫ్ అయితే Y2, Y3 ఆన్, Y2, Y3 ఆన్, Y1 ఆఫ్. నథింగ్ బట్ ఈ S1కి రివర్స్ ఎన్సీ తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ మనం. సో రివర్స్ తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, S1 ఇక్కడ ఆన్ అయినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఆఫ్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ ఆన్ అయినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఆఫ్ అయినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఆన్ అవుతుంది, రివర్స్. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ వెన్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆఫ్, నథింగ్ బట్ S1 is off, Y2, Y3 should on. Okay, Y1 is off. Okay, so please so S1, Y2. S1, Y2. Next one, so Y2 is latching. Y2 is latching. Connect here. After that, S1, Y1. S1, Y1. Okay, after that, so S1 is reverse switch, that is NC and Y3. NC switch S1, Y3. S1, Y3. Y3. So that is. So problem number 3. So S1 is turned on, Y1 off, Y1, Y2 on. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి, when S1 is turned on, Y1, Y2 should goes on state. Okay, when it is off condition, nothing but S1 is off condition, Y2, Y3 should on, Y1 off. Okay, first of all, simulate the system and compile the system again. Compile the system and one more simulation is there. Next, run the online mode of operation. Here, is there any error? So please do the simulator once again and compile the system one more time and simulate the system. That is, run the system. Okay, so when S1 is on, Y2 on, Y1 on. Okay, Y2, Y1 on. S1 is on, Y1, Y2 should goes on. Okay, condition is satisfied. When S1 is off, Y2, Y3 should on. Y2, Y3 should on. S1 is off, Y2, Y3 should on, Y1 off. Okay, now its condition is satisfied. Everything clear? Okay, so S1 is on, Y2, Y1, Y2 on. Okay, now S1 is off condition, Y2, Y3 should on, Y1 off. Okay, so that is the thing. Next one, when switch S1 is turned on, fourth one, turned on, Y1 on, Y2 off. When it is off, both Y1 Y2 should on. Okay, so fourth problem, when switch S1 is turned on, S1 is turned on, Y1 on, Y2 off. Okay, Y1 on, Y2 off. When switch S1 is off condition, both Y1 Y2 should on. Okay, so switch S1 is connected here, coming to Y1 also. So S1 Y1. So when it is off condition, Y1 on. Okay, so same state of mode lo undali akkada, switch off aina gaani. So latching is will appear like this. Okay, so Y1 latching ichcham, same addressing mode to Y1 latching ichcham. Okay, so when S1 is off condition, so this switch is off condition, so both Y1 and Y2 on, both Y1 Y2 on. సో Y1 ఎలాగో ఆన్లో ఉంటుంది, ల్యాచింగ్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి. Y2 ఆన్లో ఉండాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఎప్పుడైతే S1 ఆన్ అయిందో Y2 ఆఫ్ అవ్వాలి, రివర్స్లో ఉండాలి. అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ రివర్స్ ఆపరేషన్ అంటే నాట్ గేట్, ఎన్సి యూస్ చేయాలి, నార్మల్లీ క్లోజ్డ్ స్విచ్ యూస్ చేయాలి. సో S1 ఈస్ నార్మల్లీ క్లోజ్డ్ స్విచ్ యూస్ చేసి సో Y2 కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో ఓకే, we will execute. So S1 Y1, latch 4, okay, fourth problem, S1 is on. So here connect to NO switch, S1 is on, S1 Y1. Okay, connect here Y1, and Y1 is latching because of S1 is off. Again same mode of operation will appear like this. So okay, that is Y1, same Y1 connected like this. So here latching will appear. Okay, next one, when it is off, okay, Y1 on, Y2 off. So nothing but S1 Y2. Okay, so like this. Okay, so S1 is off. First condition is S1 is turned on, Y1 on, and Y2 off. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఆన్ అయింది అనుకోండి, S1 ఆన్ అయితే ఇక్కడ ఆఫ్ అవుతుంది, సో Y2 ఆఫ్లోనే ఉంటుంది. అగైన్ S1 ఆఫ్ అయితే Y1 ఆన్లో ఉండాలి, Y1 Y2 రెండు ఆన్లో ఉండాలి.